Hello students, now we will be solving memory-based questions of GATE 19. For more video solution on GATE 19, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for instant notification.
Hello friends, my name is Pranshu Mahajan, and in this video we are going to discuss a GATE question from fluid mechanics, particularly belonging to laminar flow through pipes. So what they are saying is water flows through two different pipes A and B of same diameter. So same circular cross section but at different flow rates. So there are two pipes which have same area, same diameter, but the flow rates through the pipes is same. The length of the pipe A is 1 meter and that of pipe B is 2 meters. So basically the pipes have different lengths. The flow in both the pipes is laminar and fully developed. So I hope you remember that there are some particular formulas which we develop for laminar developed flow through the pipes. If the frictional head loss across both the pipes is same, the ratio of volumetric flow rate QB by QA is. So I think what they are saying is that the frictional head loss through the pipes is same. So if you remember the Darcy-Weisbach equation, the frictional head loss is given as F dash LV square by 2GD, where V is the mean flow velocity through the pipe, right? Now what they have given is, they have given us the length of the pipe, diameter of the pipe, okay, and they are saying that the flow rates are different. What is flow rate? It is discharge, it is mean flow velocity into area. So basically their mean flow velocity rates are, mean flow velocity is different. So what you can say is Q1 by Q2 is equal to A1 V1 by A2 V2, okay. Please note, we are not talking of continuity equation here. We are talking of two separate pipes. In one pipe, the discharge is A1 V1. In the other pipe, discharge is A2 V2, and we want to find out the ratio. Now, A1 and A2, they are same. So, basically, the ratio is equal to V1 by V2, okay, or V2 by V1. So, when we are talking of QB by QA, basically, we are talking of V2 by V1. Now, I hope you remember the Darcy-Weisbach equation says this is the head loss. And the head loss, in this head loss, this F dash, which is the friction factor, it is given as 64 by RE for laminar flow, where RE is the Reynolds number, and Reynolds number can be written as rho Vd by mu. So finally the formula can be also be written like this, right? So it is 32 mu Lv by rho Gd square. So for pipe A, pipe 1, it will be written as 32 mu 1 L1 V1 by rho G D1 square. For pipe 2, it will be written as 32 mu 2 L2 V2 by rho 2 G D2 square, right? But they are saying for both the pipes head loss are equal, so I have equated them. Now in both the pipes water is flowing, so basically mu, rho and rho, they are same. So ultimately this 32 mu will cancel out with 32 mu, rho g will cancel out with rho g, but also d1 and d2 are also same, so this will also cancel out. So for the ratio V2 by V1, I think your ratio V2 by V1, that is coming out to be equal to L2 by L1. But V2 by V1, VB by VA, it is also equal to QB by QA. Now, if you talk of the length of the pipe, L1 is equal to 1 meters and L2 is equal to 2 meters. So, answer is 2 by 1. So, this is the correct answer. I hope you like the video, and it would be very helpful if you can share it with your friends also, so they can have a look at their solutions. Thank you. Thank you very much.